Hi, it is me Ram Lama, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to create Endnote account for free. Endnote is a commercial reference management software package used to manage bibliographies and reference when writing essays and writings. And it is very much easy for the student who will be writing their thesis or dissertation or any assignment. It is very easy. Just have to have Endnote. Go to Endnote website and you can see like reference storage is 550,000 for free account. Next when storage is 2 GB. You will have private group setting and synchronized library with the iPad app. If you have iPad, you can have manuscript matching and publication. There are many that those are in free accounts. I think to try you can just choose for free basic for now. In order to create the account, click on free account. It will redirect to new page. There you have to give your email ID and they will send you an email to your email. Here, if you have already account, you have to sign in there. Now let us register. Since we don't have account, give your email address. I'll give my email. The password you have to create. See, they are suggesting what I wish I could give my own password. So it has to combine out many signs, symbol, uppercase, lowercase. We type the same password. It says it did not match my password. I have to change that password. Said it is not matched, so let me change. Now it is matched. Give your first name and the last name, then register. You can create an account with Facebook also. I won't do that one. Now it says a registration confirmation has been sent to NCC for Jesus. They have sent me an email, so I have to open my email. Go to your Gmail ID. It's loading. Go to update. The update you can see, please activate your Endnote account. Click on that and it says click here to activate. Click on that and it says success. Okay, so now I can sign in since I have already saved my password. It is very much easy to create Endnote account and it will be really useful for every one of us, and it is user registration agreement, so we have to agree. Without agreeing you cannot bypass this agree. Then Copyrano, you can now get full text PDF into Endnote with the free Copyrano browser plugin. Okay, so you can do this if you want to. If you want to keep PDF, now I'll continue it. Now I'm ready. I'm logged into my account. In my reference, I don't have any reference. Okay, in the collection we can. Okay, so I'm just trying to play with those tabs. And once you create this account, in case you'll be able to play it. And first of all, we have to select the format. So let me select my format. I'll use this one for all my library, and I'll be using Duravian. Since we have been using Turabian, so I'll use Turabian 9th edition footnote. Then file format is okay, plain text file or rich text or rich text, and now save it. So it will be applied to every reference that you select it by default. So this is how you will create your Endnote account. Okay, if you want to add book, you can just try it here.